Good morning. This is me waiting on the bus until I go to work in the morning. I'm going to make a little video about my day. Let's see. The bus gets here, I'll just show you where I live quickly. Whee! Beautiful hills. That's my backyard. Yes. And that's my front yard. We go walking in this house quite often. Well, not there, obviously. It's just a bunch of nettles. But we go up a road that's just over there. And we go up and up and up until it gets to the top. A couple of beautiful horses out there as well. You'll have to forgive me if you can barely hear me. I probably keep putting my finger over the microphone whole thing. But, anyways, little bird. Oh, not anymore, they just flew away. You can probably hear them though. There's a bird. Good morning, bird. There's another one. Yeah, like I said, oh, there it goes. Like I said, I'm kind of bored at the moment. I just have to wait on the bus. Get my thing. I think I hear it now, actually. Oh well. I'll leave it at that for now.